Beckman Construction holds regularly scheduled safety meetings that provide an opportunity for reinforcing the importance of general safety, as well as site-specific work-related procedures applicable to this project. Properly prepared safety meetings will focus on one or two topics and be direct and to the point. All safety questions will be addressed and interactive participation is encouraged. Today's safety topic is ladder safety. All employees using ladders are required by OSHA standard to receive training and understand proper procedures for ladder use before using a ladder in a work situation. All ladders will be inspected periodically and defective ladders will be tagged and placed out of service. American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, and NIOSH approval labels should never be covered with paint or tape. Having ladders that are constructed to standard will prevent collapse and resultant falls. Specific operational procedures for ladders directly relating to the elimination of fall hazards are as follows. A stairway or a ladder will be provided at all personnel points of access where there is a break in elevation of 19 inches or more. Ladders should never be overloaded. Ladder rungs, cleats, and steps should be parallel, level, and uniformly spaced when a ladder is in position for use. Ladders should not be tied or fastened together unless they are so designed. Portable ladders used for gaining access to an upper level should extend at least 3 feet above the upper landing surface, or the ladder should be secured at its top. Ladders must be free of oil, grease, or other slipping hazards. Ladders must be used for the purpose for which they were designed. Non-self-supporting ladders will be used at such an angle so that the horizontal distance from the top support to the foot of the ladder is approximately 1/4 of the working length of the ladder. Ladders will only be used on stable and level surfaces, unless secured to prevent displacement. Ladders shall not be used on slippery surfaces unless secured or provided with slip-resistant feet to prevent accidental displacement. Ladders placed in any location where they can be displaced by job site activities or traffic should be secured to prevent accidental displacement, or a barricade will be used to keep the activities or traffic away from the ladder. The area around the top and bottom of the ladder should be kept clear. Ladders should not be moved, shifted, or extended while occupied. The top step of a stepladder should not be used as a step. Portable ladders with structural defects should be immediately marked in a manner that readily identifies them as defective and removed from service until they are repaired. When ascending or descending a ladder, one should face the ladder. Employees should use at least one hand to grasp the ladder when progressing up and/or down the ladder. Employees should not carry any object or load that could cause loss of balance or a resultant fall. Fixed ladders where the length of climb is less than 24 feet, but the top of the ladder is greater than 24 feet above the lower level, must have cages, wells, ladder safety devices, or self-retracting lifelines. Lastly, fixed ladders where the length of a climb equals or exceeds 24 feet should have at least one of the following ladder safety devices: self-retracting lifelines and rest platforms not exceeding 150 feet, a cage or well with multiple ladder sections not exceeding 50 feet in length. At the maximum interval of 50 feet, ladder sections should be offset on landing platforms. This concludes the training on the topic of ladder safety. Please sign the safety meeting attendance sheet on the clipboard in the office to confirm that you've watched the video and understand the material presented. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please report them immediately.